So if I have something like, if I have 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 2 plus 3 plus 5, and this time I'm associating these two, and this time I'm associating those two. I'm grouping those two. Is this the commutative? Is this the associative? Or is this the identity property? Thank you. When I'm reassociating, when the numbers have not changed, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, the order has not changed. This is the one when the order changes. Okay, so it cannot be commutative. It is the associative when they're reassociating with different numbers. Then, which one is this? If I go 18 plus 0 is equal to 18, I get my identity back. That is correct. That's the identity. And if I go, oh, here's a good one. If I go 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 2 plus 5 plus 3. Who has an idea? Oh no, I didn't circle it correctly. Whoops. No, ignore that. If I have 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. Okay. 2, 3, 5. 2, 5, 3. Commutative, because the two stayed the same. Watch what happened here. Didn't that change? 3 plus 5 and 5 plus 3. They didn't reassociate. It's still the same number, but they changed the order. That's a tricky one. That is the commutative. So people at home, this is a review for the test that you're going to take when you get back. And then this one should be obvious. 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. Commutative. When the order changes, it is the commutative. C. Change is for commutative. So those are going to be on there. And then real quick, rounding to the tens place, 3, 4, 9 plus 2, 4, 7. What is the 10? I'm rounding to the tens place. Which one is the tens? Yes, sir. The middle, right here. Draw a line. What happens to these two numbers? Zero. They change to zeros. Okay. These are going to change to zeros. Then we look at if they're macho or not. Is this going to be closer to 34 or 35? 35. 35. Is this going to be closer to 24 or 25? 25. And so this ends up being, is that 600? That ends up being 600. So what if I have one? In fact, I'll do one similar. 3, 5, 9. Yes, please do. We should have done that right. It's okay. He already got it. Next time, somebody do that right away. So again, we went over these properties. This is associative. This is the identity. This one was these two changed orders. It is the commutative. This one also is the commutative. We estimated to the tens, which is that one. And then we're going to take this one to the hundreds. Where's the hundreds? 3. The 3. So this means 100. There's going to be 2 zeros at the back. Is this going to be 300 or 400? 400. 400. Is this going to be 200 or 300? 200. What? 200. Whoa, this example comes also to 600. So let me see if there's anything else that you need to know. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think that's about it. So, okay. And just real quick, if I've got a parking lot and I've got 100 cars on the first 2 levels, but on this level, I've got 40 more than on one of those levels. Who knows what I have here? If I've got 40 more, I'd have 140. And then how could I get the total of the cars? Add them up. Okay, and that's about it, peoples. So expect some problems like that. And one of them I didn't go over, but I want to see if you remember. And people at home, have a good